Is XRP and Robinhood a match made in crypto heaven, or a relationship that's currently on hold? Let's get straight to the point. As of today, you cannot directly buy XRP on Robinhood. If you search for XRP in the app, you won't find it listed for trading. The primary reason for this is the ongoing regulatory uncertainty surrounding XRP. The SEC's lawsuit against Ripple, the company behind XRP, led many exchanges, including Robinhood, to delist the token as a precautionary measure. They want to avoid any legal issues regarding the potential sale of unregistered securities. So, where can you buy XRP? Several other cryptocurrency exchanges still offer XRP trading. Some popular options include Coinbase, Kraken, and Binance, but availability may vary depending on your region, so always double-check. Before you invest in XRP or any cryptocurrency, remember to do your own thorough research. Understand the risks involved, the regulatory landscape, and the potential for price volatility. Keep an eye on any updates regarding the SEC lawsuit against Ripple. A favorable outcome for Ripple could potentially lead to XRP relisting on platforms like Robinhood in the future. But until then, explore your alternative options and invest wisely. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto updates.